backdrop, our budget will play a central role as the government responds to the various economic shocks that spur economic developments of the county. The committee strongly supports aggressive government actions that pay special attention to the needs of those living in poverty and who are particularly vulnerable to devastating health, environmental, and economic impacts. To meet the unparalleled challenges, the committee has proposed a rapid shift in priorities to realign spending policies accordingly. The policy framework of the 2025-2026 budget is therefore anchored in a response and recovery strategy that comprehensively addresses government intervention matrix geared towards provision of economic stimulus packages to the poor and those directly affected by the rising cost of living. However, while these interventions will demand swift and decisive actions, it will nevertheless require honesty, transparency, committed engagements, and above all, public trust in implementation of the projects. Mr. Speaker, on page number 3, we have the committee mandate, and everybody is aware of the committee mandate of the Budget Committee. Mr. Speaker, on page number 4, we have the committee members who actually participated in preparation of this report, and their names have been indicated on page number 4. Mr. Speaker, I want to say that according to the law, the members of the public were engaged in a public participation exercise that happened between 10th and 11th of June, Mr. Speaker, and as it was advertised on a newspaper, the Standard newspaper of that 1st May 2025. So the public participation exercise was conducted in our various sub-county headquarters, and the reports of the public participation, Mr. Speaker, are with us, and they're also key in drafting this report, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the Budget Committee held a series of meetings that happened in various places of the country, Mr. Speaker, after sectorial committees, Mr. Speaker, had sat and given their proposals, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to confirm that also the members of the executive came to the Budget Committee and they also gave their views, and actually they also gave the projects which could be paid in this financial year and the projects which would be carried forward, Mr. Speaker, and those projects are attached to this report, Mr. Speaker.